Welcome to my CAD tutorials, and from this channel you can learn AutoCAD 2D, SketchUp and Lumin from beginner level to advanced level. In this video I will tell you about the line command. First of all, we will see what is the importance of line command. So line command is very basic and very important, and it plays a very big role to draw any drawing. Any designer must need line command to draw any object or drawing. If you want to draw any drawing in AutoCAD, you can't complete that drawing without using the line command. And you are from any field like civil, mechanical, electrical, you must need to learn the line command before learning any other command. So now we will see how to draw line in the AutoCAD. So in the home tab in the draw panel, you can see here the first tool, which is the line. To invoke line command, just click on the line. You can see here the crosshair which indicates our drawing mode is on. So to invoke line command, just click on the line, or you can use the shortcut key, which is the L, and press enter. So now line command is invoked. It is showing us specify the first point. So I am specifying the first point here, and now it is showing specify the next point. So I am specifying the next point here. You can see we can draw the continuous line by using the line command. You just need to select the points and give the direction, and just click on the second point. You just need to select the first point, give direction, and select the second point. Now we can continue this line. I am giving direction here, and I am specifying the second point here. So just specify the points. You can draw line by this way. So I want to come out from the line command, and I want to end this line. To come out from the line command, just press enter, space or escape key. Or the second way to come out from the line command is right click and just click on the enter. You can see here we come out from the line command. So now we will see how to draw line by giving length. I am again selecting the line command from here. I am clicking on the line. I am specifying the first point, and I am giving the direction somewhere here, and I want to draw this line of 25 unit. So I will press 25 and just press the enter. You can see here our 25 unit line is drawn. So we have drawn this line by the direct distance entry. If you want to draw any line of a particular unit, you just need to give that dimension and press the enter. By this way you can draw the line of a particular distance. I am pressing escape key to come out from the line command. Now we will see how to draw line by giving particular angle and particular distance. So for that I am again clicking on the line command, and I am specifying the first point. Now I want to give length of this line as a 10 unit. Press enter, and now I want to draw line at a 45 degree angle of a 20 unit. So to give the angle with length, first giving the length of line, that is 20 unit, and then press the comma key or tab key. It will show to specify the angle. You can see here it is showing us specify the angle here. So I am specifying the angle here 45 and press enter. You can see here our 20 unit line at a 45 degree angle is drawn. So to come out from the line command, I am pressing the escape key. So by this way you can draw the line at a particular distance and at a particular length. Just click on the line, specify the first point, give length. If you want to give angle, press tab or comma key and give angle and press enter. it is the easiest and very basic command, that is line command. So by this way we can use the line command. So thank you so much for watching. If you got something from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon to get notified for new videos.